Now see the second example. Show the number root 5 on the number line. Please all the students keep attention here. Firstly, we will find where the root 5 is comes on the number line. Okay. So how we find this? See here. This is very important topic because same topic is repeated in the 9th standard. Firstly, I have written here 1 to 10 numbers. So calculate the square root of 1. It is 1, correct? 1 is here. Now this is the root 2. We take, it is a non-perfect square number, so take is as it is. Now root 3 again, it is non-perfect square, so take as it is. Now root 4. Root 4 is equal to 2, correct? Means root 2 and root 3 is a comes between the 1 to 2 units here. Root 2 and root 3 comes here. Now see next. Root 5, it is again non-perfect square. Root 6 is again non-perfect square. Root 7 non-perfect square. Root 8 non-perfect square. Now root 9. Root 9 is a perfect square, so root of 9 is a 3. Means root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8 is a comes between 2 to 3 on the number line. Please all the students please clear this understanding. Means root 5, root 6 and root 7, root 8 is a comes between the number 2 to 3 on the number line. Understood? So root 5 is a comes between the 2 to 3, so therefore we take here the baseline up to 0 to 2. Baseline is up to 0 to 2. Give here any labels. Suppose this is P. Okay. So this is the point P. Now take the 2 units for the base here. This is the Q. Okay, and draw the perpendicular on the 2, because we know that the root 5 comes between 2 to 3. So we draw the perpendicular on the 2. Understood all the students? And take 1 unit distance. See here, this is the 1 unit distance here. This is the 2 units here written, already 2 is here, and this is this distance is 1 unit. Understood? Okay, now draw, this is the perpendicular, so this is the right angle. Now join these 2 points. This is the point R. Join the P and R. Okay. So PQR is a right angle triangle. So by using Pythagoras theorem, triangle PQR is a right angled triangle. Therefore, by using Pythagoras theorem, length of PR, length of PR square is equal to length of PQ square plus length of RQ square. So PQ square is a 2. What is the value of PQ? 2 units. 2 square. What is the value of RQ? It is a 1. So 1 square. Correct? So 2 square is a 4 plus 1 square is a 1. That is a 5. This is the length of PR square. Therefore, length of PR is equal to root 5 by taking square root on the both side. By taking square root on both the sides. Okay. So PR, the value of PR is a root 5. Now root 5, this distance is a take in the compass and draw the arc on the number line. See here, keep the PR distance in the compass, put the needle on P and draw the arc of distance root 5. Okay. Now this distance is intersect at this point. Suppose this is the S. It intersect at a point S to the number line. So this point is nothing but the root 5 distance. So write down here root 5. Understood all the students? Are very simple.